Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious soup dal. Let's begin by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of split red lentils, 1 medium onion, and 2 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget 2 green chilies for a little kick, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. A pinch of turmeric powder is crucial for color and flavor. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee ready, along with fresh cilantro for garnish. Now, let's cook the lentils. First, rinse your 1 cup of masaur dal several times until the water runs clear. This step is important for a clean taste. Transfer the rinsed lentils to a pressure cooker and add 3 cups of fresh water. Stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Close the lid and cook on medium heat for about 3 whistles or approximately 10 minutes until the lentils are completely soft and mushy. The secret to amazing dal is the tempering, or tadka. In a separate small pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds, releasing their aroma. Next, add your finely chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent and lightly golden brown. Then, stir in the 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and the 2 chopped green chilies, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. To finish our delicious soup dal, add the chopped tomatoes to your tadka pan and cook them until they soften and release their juices, about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, carefully pour this flavorful tadka mixture directly into your cooked dal. Stir everything together thoroughly to ensure all the wonderful flavors are well combined. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. Serve your hot, comforting soup dal with steamed rice or your favorite flatbread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.